Oh, hello there. Sorry. I was zoning out because I was a little high on life, getting these together and off and on and wiggly and so yeah, stay tuned. We might have a break update. We might be breaking updates. We might be breaking steering stuff and thingamabobs, jiggly puffs, whatever you want to call it. It's no bueno. But I think these might be too shiny for what we have. Might be too shiny for what we have. Good nipple pierce, right? No? No? But then I'll be lighting up the world, see? No? Just no? Oh, okay, well, I guess stick around, stay tuned, guys.
So, sir, what are we doing?
I'm trying to be productive,
Yeah.
and seems like I'm not going to be very productive.
Why?
I don't have the right tools.
Why?
Because I fail?
Why?
Because I'm the Pope?
There's so much work.
Isn't that my job? Your side. So this is the passenger side. It looked like a rabbit got a hold of it, but I think what happened was the shark tooth got a hold of it. Cause it's similar to biting nature. No? No, it's not similar. Oh, well, maybe he got hungry, and that's why.
Sure, babe.
No?
No.
You sure?
Pretty sure.
How do you know? He could have.
Yeah.
Where's my hat?
What it's supposed to look like, what it does look like.
Uh-huh.
It's fine. Totally fine.
Totally fine. Normal. Absolutely normal. 100% normal. No?
Yes.
You sure? Okay. Yeah! I can do this. I can do this. Ah! Here's the driver's side. So, I don't know where that bush went.
They rolled down there, over there by the jack.
Oh. You can roll like that? So, that's what it's supposed to have. Right there on the bottom. But, as you can see on the bottom, there is no bushing. Well, somewhat of a bushing. So,
Hold on, baby.
so this is what the driver's side looks like. This is what it's supposed to look like. So this is what the driver's side looks like. This is what it's supposed to look like. One is maybe like the other. Maybe. Possibly. Right? Yeah? Okay. So yeah, that's kind of why we're replacing them. And then passenger side fared a little bit better than the driver's side. But then again, the driver's side has excess of 550,000 tons, which would be me on that side.
Babe.
What?
That, no.
No?
No.
But it's right?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Positive.
I don't know. I think I might be onto something on why stuff's breaking on Fords, besides it being a Ford, but you know. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. Ow! Felt wonderful.
throw it, don't you?
I did.
Why?
Because
Why?
I'm going to that side of that wrench. I don't need it over here anymore.
Yeah.
Yep. I said be gone with you.
Just like that, huh?
Yep. Ow. Ow. Sir, you do not feel good against my knuckle.
Why not?
Because you're sharp. Not gonna lie, I kind of wish I had an Ugga Dugga, but Ugga Dugga wouldn't fit.
Yeah. It's awful tight up there.
Oh, I have such a long ways to go. And a short time to get there?
No.
No? You sure?
Pretty sure.
But why not? Almost there. Maybe. It's weird.
What?
It's shiny.
It's brand new.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be shiny?
Yeah.
Yeah? But it doesn't match the truck.
It's fine.
Uh-oh.
Well.
I ran out of... I ran out of socket. Uh-oh.
Now.
Now... I try to find my long socket. Hey, it actually does fit. I was afraid it wouldn't. That's why I didn't use it earlier.
It probably wouldn't have fit. That's why you got it down that far?
I don't think it would have actually. Okay.
So what are these doohickeys for?
If memory serves me right, which my memory does not do a lot very often. Hold on. Let me insert that. Ugh.
Don't forget your sucker.
Hmm?
Don't forget to take that sucker with you.
Mm-hmm. What those do, it helps stabilize. Oh, you trying to get my Captain Jack going? Is that what you're doing? Or Captain Morgan, sorry, not Jack, Morgan. My Captain Morgan going. So what those do is, theoretically, it's like a car, where it helps stabilize the steering. So that way you don't get all that steering slop when you turn. It helps it corner easier and make it stick better. that's technically all those are for.
Oh.
And that's what we were hearing, the popping and clacking noise, not the upper control arms.
I thought we wants to replace those two.
Yeah, but that's a eventually down the road deal because you got to get it aligned right after you do it. Yeah.
On the other side.
So now on to the other side. I just need to tighten it. Because you said you weren't going to record it.
Explain.
Explain what?
Go.
I'm confused.
Just go.
Okay, I'm just going to start tightening stuff then. Because the wife's confusing.
That makes total perfect sense.
Okay, if you say so, my love.
I'm getting really good.
Are you?
Uh-huh.
Ugga-dugga?
Ugga-dug.
Ugga-dugga-dugga?
Ugga-dugga-dugga.
Did you just say I'm lame?
Noisy.
Wow. The wife says I'm lame. Hey, look, it actually does fit, babe.
Yeah.
I didn't have to use a short one after all. It lives there now.
That is not where your sockets live, love.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. That's the sockets live in the cracks now. It's fine. At least I'll know where they are. And they're going to be too hot for somebody else to touch, so it's fine.
That's fair.
So I'm just tightening my life away, away. I'm just tightening my life away. It's kinding like the signing your life away when you marry your wife and kid. No?
No.
You sure?
Positive.
Why?
Positive.
You're just positive? That's it?
Yeah.
That's all you are, huh?
Yeah.
You're just positive out on life?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to be helpful? Come do this for me?
No.
No? But remember, I'm showing off for the wife.
Yeah, well, the wife has to show up for the kids now.
Oh, the wife has to show off for the kid now?
Yeah.
Oh. Wasn't that a bummer? Levi, you're okay.
You know, they don't want us to see you cry this time. No, you don't. No, you don't.
So is it Popesbrook Garage Family or just Popesbrook Racing and Garage?
Sure, but
We have a family
yeah, we do.
of very different vehicles, right?
Very different vehicles. Well, not really. You got 3 off-road vehicles and a plastic truck. That's not even technically yours yet.
It's in my house. Technically, it's mine. I claim.
Just like that. Huh?
If it's in my garage, I claim. Isn't that how this works?
I don't think that's how this works.
No, that's not how this works.
I mean, possession is 9 in the law.
See?
Your mom might disagree.
The hyenas are back.
What is that?
I have no clue. I think it's just dogs that people own. I honestly have no clue, but it sounds like hyenas every single time I hear it. Or it could be the neighbor next door. I don't know.
Yeah.
No?
I have no idea.
You don't get the joke?
You're adorable.
Okay. Well, it's tightened. Oh, good. There's no gaps in it now. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to give me my phone?
Huh?
Phone.
Phone? Uh-oh.
Take that. Just touch the whole steering fork.
Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Thanks for being stable with me today. And sorry for the little baby background noise. We're training in process is what we're doing. So thanks for tuning in. New merchandise. Have a good day, guys.